about being a part of Leadership Maitland was actually our first event where we got to go and learn about the Entrepreneurship Center. It was a really great introduction to leadership.
Well, I love the opportunity to get to know other community leaders, both in our class, but also the people we've met in our sessions. It's been really a great access to people in the community that we might not have gotten in front of before.
My favorite part of Leadership Maitland was definitely meeting all the people involved from different industries and the program when we got to learn about different industries on each day. I think it really helped me in doing my job, and I already could get lots of tangible benefits out of it.
Well, one of our program days, we went to the Maitland Police Department and then also to the fire department. And at the fire department, we got to meet the chiefs. A few weeks later, they were in need of a photographer, and I was one of the ones that they reached out to. And now this summer, I'll be working with them to take headshots for all of the firefighters and chiefs. And so that's an opportunity that directly impacted my business that I don't know that I would have had otherwise. So I really appreciate Leadership Maitland.
By going through the leadership program, we'll end up being a knowledgeable resident of a growing and vital community in Central Florida.